All right, so let's take a look at this internal pipe cutter set. Comes with the deburring tool. You have a 34 millimeter diamond bit, and you could use it with your drill or your impact driver with a 1/4 inch hex shank. So let's see what goodies come in here. Nice little box to keep everything in. All right, so here you have your deburring tool. So you could go from left to right or right to left, clockwise or counterclockwise. Very nice. Aluminum. All right, so you have your depth up to 2.5 inches. 1/4 inch shank, and you have a little screw. You have kind of like a shape so it doesn't spin. Flat screwdriver. I've been wanting to get one of these for quite some time. The other day I had a piece of CPVC inside the wall that needed this. If I would have had this with me, I ended up having to drive home, get my Dremel. If I would have had this tool with me, would have saved, a trip. And you have your depth measurement right there, 2.5. So this is perfect for PVC, CPVC. Nice. All right, so it's supposed to be about 34 millimeters. It's about 2 millimeters thick. Very nice. The whole thing is about 4 inches. All right, so time to test the tools. I've been wanting one of these for many years. I always end up using just a blade and it never comes out good, but it does work. But this thing is pretty sweet. So right now it's got the little burr right there. It's been cut. So let's try it out. Oh, nice. Nice and even. Oh, sweet. Perfect. Nice. Perfect. I like it. I wonder if it works the other way. Yeah, it works the other way too. Oh, look at that. Oh, beautiful. Excellent. This one needs one more pass. Sweet. Love it. I could do this all day. Let's try it on the PVC we recently cut. No effort. Perfect. Nice. I wonder if it works on the outside too. It gets kind of stuck. I'm sure you could use it. I think it's intended for the inside, not the outside. A little more difficult, but cool. Perfect. Now let's try the other tool. All right, guys, don't make a mess, okay? Now we're really gonna make a mess. So this one here, they tend to wobble a little bit because if you're using the 1/4 inch on the on these impact drivers. If you have it on a drill, it'll be nice and tight. All right, so on this side you have your millimeter, and here you have your 1-2 inches up to 2.5. So let's try it out, see how it cuts. Hopefully I won't cut my finger. Okay, so it does work. It is a little messy. You should see me now, but it works. It's a little easier when you're standing on top of it. You could use both hands on the actual drill itself. So I'm holding the pipe, so that's why it went a little crooked, but you can still see that you could do it from the inside. And like I mentioned, the other day I had a pipe break inside the wall, and I had to break the concrete and get to it. I had to come home, get my Dremel. If I would have had this little guy here, would have been perfect. I would have cut the CPVC and it would have been an easy day. But nope, I had to come home and get my Dremel. Oh, look how nice this is, guys. These are the tools that make your life so much easier. Perfect. Oh, sweet. All right, there you go. 2 thumbs up. All right, fantastic. I'm super happy. Finally got one of these little tools. Definitely gonna keep it in my toolbox now. I use this all the time. Well, I'll be using it all the time instead of my blade. Did an excellent job on the copper and the PVC. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Don't forget to like and follow. Do check out some of the links. They do help out the channel. See you guys on the next review.